Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review UserTesting.com. UserTesting.com is a platform where people can earn money by giving feedback on websites, apps, and digital experiences. Companies use it to understand how real users interact with their products. Signing up is free, but you need to take a simple test to show you can follow instructions clearly. Once approved, you get invitations to test tasks based on your profile and demographics. Most tasks involve speaking your thoughts out loud while recording your screen. Some tasks also include answering follow-up questions or joining live interviews with researchers. Payments are usually made through PayPal, and the amount depends on the length and type of test. Short tasks pay less, while live video interviews can pay much more. A big advantage is the flexibility. You can test whenever you have free time. It also helps improve your observation and communication skills. However, test availability depends on your profile, so not everyone gets many opportunities. Competition for tests can be high, meaning you need to act fast when a test appears. Some users may only get a few tests per month, while others may get more. The work is simple but requires focus, honesty, and clear communication. Overall, UserTesting.com is a legit way to earn side income while helping companies improve their digital products. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.